Groovy body, high body, bye body, don't body, poke body, color body, shana body, dirty body, yaar body.
कुत्ते, कमीने.
Everybody सब body.
A to Z.
किन किन के नाम भेजा रोस्ट होता है.
पर हर एक फ्रेंड जरूरी होता है, लेकिन हर एक फ्रेंड जरूरी होता है.
क्योंकि हर एक फ्रेंड जरूरी होता है. Simple and yet the single most powerful campaign of 2011. That is the quality that puts Impact Person of the Year 2011, Mr. Agnello Dias, Chairman and Co-founder of Taproot India, in a class of his own. His work has contributed to global recognition for the Indian advertising industry, including India's first ever Grand Prix at Cannes.
I always think of him as the young one because he came to us as a trainee with lots of good ideas. He was really quite different from the others because he was a quiet person. Normally, when they come as trainee copywriters, they are very bubbly. But Agnello had a certain soberness about him. He was quiet and he was focused. Though he had lots of good ideas, he never showed off. And he always discussed the brief in great detail. I'm so happy to learn that he is doing so well now.
He has become extremely focused on the task at hand. You give him a problem, he stays bang on the problem and then takes a leap. Many years ago he told me once, I don't know if he remembers, creative is like an atom bomb. If the explosion is big enough, you don't have to be on target. I think today he's become phenomenally powerful as a creative person because he stays on target and it is still a very big bang.
Mr. Dias has reignited the spirit of creative entrepreneurship. He has beaten big agencies to win over large clients and some of the biggest accounts like Pepsi during the World Cup. We could go on, but let us see his work speak.
The official sponsor of
the helicopter shot.
One thing that I remember about Agnello is that he's got some serious Kridas, man, in him, you know, and that's one of the things that which got us together as friends and even as professionals, that he's got some serious Kridas in him, and that's the reason why I think he's been able to deliver the kind of work that he's delivered.
All India Radio एक फरमाइश है.
आप सुन रहे हैं ऑल इंडिया रेडियो का रंगारंग कार्यक्रम. अगली फरमाइश दिलवाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे.
नजर में रहते हो जब तुम नजर नहीं आते, ये सुर मिलाते हैं जब तुम इधर नहीं आते, ये सुर बुलाते हैं जब तुम इधर नहीं आते.